I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you never.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate. If you're new, so as you have seen from that clip, I went grocery shopping at just a local place near where I stay. I don't know if this is cheap for you, but cheap is relative. So I'll just do a quick haul of the groceries that I got. Yeah, otherwise mkoaje, mendeleaje? I hope life inawapeleka poa. Yeah, so quickly. So I got this minjis. This one zilikuwa 400 shillings. They used kaleka small nini glass to measure, so I got 5. And then chili, people in this house love chili, so hizi zilikuwa 10 bob. Alafu the hohos, this one's 10 bob each. And then kwa kitunguu, I like hii size ya kitunguu kwa sababu it's enough for me. Ama ile a bit kubwa kidogo, so that I just use one. I don't have like to use a half, or you get what I'm saying. And then easy, what are they called? Eggplant. I like them for soup and all that. For 20 shillings is 4. And then garlic, these ones were 20 bob each. Garlic imepotea, I don't know why. This one's hii nilikuwa nayo. And then cabbage nika by Easy each ilikuwa 30 bob. And ni zile nzito. Ile cabbage inakuanga nzito nye ukikata hata quarter tu, it's actually enough. And then dania, that one was how much? 10 bob, because ni tatu 10, so ilikuwa 10. Singechukua mob because I don't know how to store danias. By the way, if you have ideas on how to store dania kwa fridge, please nishow up kwa comment section. Yeah, so I got 2 cabbages. And then waru, this one is zilikuwa 200. Yeah, I wish I got like the whole thing, because actually I love waru. Me, I can eat waru. I can eat potatoes like every day as long as neza pika in different ways. And then tomatoes, this size, this one ilikuwa 5. I think you have seen from the video, ilikuwa 5 shilling each. So I think these ones will do for a while. I think like 2 weeks, because groceries ni hard sometimes kufanya like the whole month. So like after 2 weeks maybe zikiran out, I'll go for others. Yeah.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me the me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know
It's so many days later. Work has been catching up with me. I'm actually on my break. I just came out to enjoy some sun. It's been so long. If you live in Nairobi, you know. So I just felt in my spirit like to mention that I know that there are so many people watching this video and they can't they're not able like to put food on their table, and you know that like that pains my heart, and I just want to, you know, extend this to you and just say I just pray that God gives you the grace to endure whatever that's happening in your life. Life has been so hard, things are so expensive, so I can just imagine. And I just want to encourage someone out here to just focus on the good things that God is doing. You get? So I know no matter the situation, there's something you're grateful about. And one thing about God, if you're grateful, he will change that situation. He will definitely, if you're genuinely grateful in your heart. Atakama, there are so many reasons not to be grateful, and you just find a reason to God is going to bless you and that situation is going to change. Yeah, so I just felt that, you know, even me being able to like provide for myself right now, this is a miracle. This is a miracle. Like, I usually say that I'm a living testimony, and I want this channel to be inspiring. I want someone to look at me and be like, you know, I see God in her. You get? So I just felt like saying that, you get, so that to just encourage. You know, sometimes when things get hard, I feel like we draw strength from the good things. You get? So just don't focus on, you know, the bad things that are happening. Focus on, you know, find something good and be grateful about, and that's where you draw the strength to endure, you know, the bad things. Because bad days hazitaisha in this life. As long as kuna good days, there'll always be bad days. Yeah, so if you have reached this point of the video, akimeniona naibone for long, like the whole vlog, I promise the next one will be better. Enjoy. Oh gosh, so if you have reached this far in this video, please leave me a like. It really goes a long way. I will not know if you liked. So if you want to stay anonymous, please give me a like, comment, let's interact. I reply to all comments, by the way. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please get us to 500 subs. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah.